Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the right. Later that we do common denominator of y. So we have 1 minus y to the power of 3. Next, I will put this one go to the left, s ds go to the right, and that should be like this. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of 1 minus y to the power of 3. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.